Hello and good evening to the German Wolf Pack. What is going on, guys? I want to talk to you about something very important to me, and that is, let's put it this way: there's evil outside. I'm not making anything up. There's evil outside, and it is paranormal and supernatural events that are happening in the world today. And one of them is between the Alpha and Omega demonic wolf and the German wolf. I am constructing a story based out of true events. Alright, so I am doing that, and the German wolf wants to talk to you also, and he's really upset with you, Wolfpack, because he does a video in the morning hour, and he did one, and he waited all day for a response from you. 5 hours ago, 6 hours ago, but he had to delete it because nobody wanted to talk to the German wolf. What do you say to the wolf pack, German wolf? Alright, guys, you won't see what I'm going to, well, you talk to these guys right here. This guy is really mad. Hello, wolf pack. I'm the German wolf. I'm very upset with you. You would not watch my video this morning. I'm very mad. And I will haunt you, and I will take you back to Germany. Do you understand? And I will tell the Alpha and Omega demonic wolf about this. See, that's not me, and I'm talking to you guys right now. Thank you, German wolf. You see what I'm saying? I don't change my voice. I don't change my voice. I have stuff in my head that's telling me to change. Think about it. Jesse Ridgway, McJuggernuggets. He is known as the creator and the devil inside. He doesn't know who he is, because in his series he does this. So, I mean, sometimes I do it, but not all the time. So, let me see what's going on here. I am the most evil presence known as the Alpha and Omega demonic wolf. Do you want me to come in and get you and haunt you forever? See what I'm talking about? That's not me. My mind is taken over as a demonic wolf. I don't tell lies, because that sign back there says the man is always right. The wolf never lies. I want to talk about this more tomorrow. like the video, share the video, subscribe to the video. Get your notifications, post notifications, and go to the like button and hit that over about 70 times. It means a lot to me, but you guys never do anything when I'm telling you what to do. Do you want me to go back and get the demonic wolf after you? Wolf out.